Ever wondered what's inside one of these when it fails? This is a failed expansion tank from a water heater system. Today I'm cutting this open so you can see exactly what went wrong. When these fail, you get pressure spikes or leaking pressure valves. I removed the valve core to make sure there's zero pressure. It's drained and obviously not connected to the system. Never cut into a pressurized vessel. This tank has a rubber bladder inside. Water is on one side and air is on the other. The air acts like a cushion when water expands as it heats. When the bladder tears, the tank fills with water and stops doing its job. If water comes out the air valve or the tank feels heavy and solid, the bladder has failed. Now let's see what it looks like inside. That is what an expansion tank looks like. When you understand what's inside things, home ownership gets less intimidating. If you want to see how to replace one properly, I'll link that video below. If you're learning this stuff without someone showing you, I'm glad you're here. Subscribe for more.